Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily update on the progress and growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please head on over to Rumble and watch us there and give us a follow and a thumbs up. Yes, the garden. The garden. Here's the garden. Doing rather well. Well, it's 15 degrees this morning, 4 degrees warmer than yesterday, but this is going to be the norm, probably till fall. How's this growing here on the compost pile? Oh yeah, we had some of this going on earlier in the year, and of course it got so dry and hot and everything died in here. Now it's coming back. Cooler temperatures, giving us more moisture for the plants. Oh God. These things. It's like a very annoying ivy vine or something. Bloody thing. Sorry about the finger. Thing used to grow up all the way up this post. Don't need issues with Ontario Hydro. Well, our tomatoes. Doing well there. More peppers if I need to do some canning. As well as these other tomatoes, which are just ripening right off the vine. Gonna have to get these and give them to a friend. And our other peppers. Ooh, that's an interesting color. Never seen the banana peppers do that. Then again, I'm usually picking them too early and canning them. Ooh, hot peppers. So those spicy zucchini dills that I did a couple of days ago, when I put these peppers in there, yeah, I think I could smell the spiciness from outside the jar. It might be too deadly. Too deadly. Well, something snapped one of them sunflower leaves off. Almost that yesterday. Don't know if a critter came up and decided to take them off. But let's have a look at how tall our plant is. Oh my goodness. Still no flower. Let's see. It's growing out of the pot. And I cannot reach the top. I'm 5'6", plus the length of my arm. That's a very tall plant. Okay, zucchinis. They weren't ready to pick yesterday. I was picking them this morning. No, not that one. A little bit more. We don't see any. Oh, there is one there. I was looking for some pollinators. Only one bumblebee. Okay. Oh, there's some more flying around. All right, what are we doing down here? Nope, nothing. Yes, almost. Oh, you guys are all picking the same flower. What's going on? Oh, they're wrestling. Nope, not ready. Okay. Well, I gotta be sure I get to these before they explode in size again. And that last one that I picked They got away from me. We had them for supper last night. Maybe we'll put that picture up now. Yeah, along with some fried beans and carrots. All right. Well, our bush beans gave us a bit of a handful yesterday to supper, just like the picture we just posted up. Our in-ground potatoes, which will be the default next year, I think. I'm not going to grow them in the box again. And this one, I think, will be the next one to dig up today. Now, our kale. Our kale bush kept falling over. Finally got a decent post in there. And, oh, what's going on here? Why is this onion looking weird? Hey, decided to stop growing. Huh. Oh, put you back, see what happens. I shouldn't have pulled that out. We'll see how resilient that onion is. Meanwhile, the other ones are growing just fine. Now all our dill is going to seed. We've got a fresh crop of dill next year. Collected all the seeds there from last year. It's not like I need more. Nice tasty bolt tips. Those are actually good to chew on. And our zucchini. I mean our squash. Oh yeah, that's right. There's a couple of zucchinis that might grow in here. Huh? More pollinator activity. Yeah, look. You just kind of like give up, eh? Well, that one up there will keep growing. It's doing okay. Just the ones that got the turmeric spray after the change in weather that went and gave all this powdery mildew. Now it's not affecting these because they've been treated. And the other leaves that have grown here since then, as you can see, are quite healthy. Now let's keep looking in here for the sneaky zucchini. Nope. Any more? Any more? No? How about in here? I think we're okay. Oh, what's that? What's going on down there? Is that a zucchini? I think that's a zucchini. Let's keep an eye on that. Well, we do know where there's a couple of zucchinis. And those would be those ribbed zucchinis growing right next to Butch up front. So let's go have a look. Well, our pumpkin plant is doing okay on this side, even after the critter attack a couple of days ago. Yeah, looks like a rabbit probably got at it. And these, wow, these are growing quite big. Oh, finally starting to seed. Now, our corner sunflower, still filling in the middle. And Butch, well, the first Butch flower is still making its seeds. And look at all the other heads, eh? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Okay, now let's dive into these zucchinis. Oh, look at you ribbed marbles, eh? Probably pick you for supper. Wow, pollinators are really busy this morning. Nice to see. Now, our other pumpkin plant with floppy leaves. But these ones are okay. Keep giving it water. Oh my. Oh. Let's make sure these are not attacking. Good. They are leaving the pumpkin alone. And I had to unwrap some morning glory off this sunflower yesterday morning. Starting to choke out the bottom and climbing all the way up the stem. Or we're not ready to let you go yet. Hasn't started to flower yet. And our morning glories just finally coming out with an explosion of flowers. I always wish they could grow like this right off the bat in the spring. But it doesn't. Oh, you see we decided to crawl along the birch berry bush. Very good. Very strong vines. They grow fast. Okay. Well, the box is looking really wonderful. So if you have come out and watched us to the end once again, I really appreciate it. And please come back tomorrow where we will do another update, and we will see you then. Until then, bye-bye.